Hello guys, welcome back to ESENtaxa. Andrea Papito here. As always, in this video I'm going to explain you the taxation when you win something, when you are in a gambling context, when you go to the casino, when you play on casino lines, and you are Italian fiscal resident. So stay tuned because this is a quite important subject. A lot of people ask me about these things. It's complex, but I summarized everything in one paper, and stay tuned because in this video I'm going to explain you very easily how everything works. Before I'm moving forward, please subscribe this channel because in this way you will be always updated for free about all the Italian fiscal system, all the law, regulation and updates that the Italian government sometimes puts in place, and in this channel we are immediately releasing the content in English. And please, in this way you will help us to grow ESENtaxa and give you more and more content like this one. So let's go straight to the point. What about the taxation? So the taxation, it's divided by three categories here. First are winnings from sports bets, prize game, from television or public broadcast media. So, for example, you go to some television show, you win something there, and you will be taxed at the flat rate of 20%. Okay, so you earn 100,000 euro from this television show, and Italian state withhold at the source 20%. It's a flat rate. It won't be accumulated with your existing income, so it's separated and it's over. It's finished. The second category, it's when you win lotteries. So when you are in the situation of extractions, scratch cards, bingo, and these kind of things are taxed only at the flat rate of 10%. Easy. Again, flat rate, it's always separated from your RPF taxation. The third case, which is considered like all the rest of the cases, are taxed up to 25%. And why I say up to? Because 25% is going to be quite a lot. But all the other cases, it's about gambling online, casino online, poker online, everything that basically you use some online platform to bet, to try to win something. And here we have to make a distinction. First of all, if you use the authorized by the Italian state platform, all the taxes will be automatically withdrawn at the source. So there will be a withholding tax, and you don't have to declare nothing to your Italian tax file return. So it's going to be extremely easy. So if this is the case, so if you play in one of these platforms authorized and certified by the Italian state, the taxation works in this way. The winnings between 500 euro and 1,000 euro will be taxed at 15%, while in the next brackets between 1,000 and 10,000 euro, you will have a taxation, a flat one of 18%. Between 10,000 and 50,000, the taxation grows to 21%. Between 50,000 and 10 million, the taxation is 23%. And everything that exceeds 10 million, the taxation is 25%. So you have up to 25%, several flat taxes, which are separated from your RPF taxation. Okay, so this is only if you're operating in platforms that are basically certified by the ADMS institution. Okay, so it's basically at the bottom of this platform you have an icon which has the Italian flag, and you will find written this platform has the certification of the Italian state, so you can easily play here with no worries, with no problem, and all the gains, all the winnings here will be automatically taxed at the source. You don't have to do anything with your accountant. The Italian tax agency will get this money. It's flat tax separation, has nothing to be declared on your Italian tax file return. Very, very easy. What if you play in uncertified platforms? Okay, well, that's different, because in this case, not only you have to declare by yourself with the help of your accountant all these incomes coming from this platform that don't apply any withholding tax in behalf of the Italian state. So you have to gather all this amount of money and put it in your Italian tax file return, but you won't be subject to these flat taxes. Everything will be accumulated to your RPF taxation, and the Italian RPF taxation starts from 23% up to 43%. So in the worst case, you're going to be taxed at 43%. So it's always better try to play in this certified platform, okay? It helps in the level of reducing and saving taxes. Now let's move in the case where you are actually tax-free. Yes, there is also the case where you can play, have fun, win something, play poker, play roulette, go to the casino and tax-free. When this happens? It happens when you're physically going to a physical casino, not an online casino. If you play there, all the winnings are tax-free in Italy and in each and every European Union country. Okay, so once you are there, you win something. The casino has to give you the receipt because they will pay you either in cash or most likely they will send you a bank transfer, and you have to have just a paper that proves that you basically won that kind of amount of money in that specific casino, and this amount of money is tax-free. You have to archive the receipt because the Italian tax agency will check, most likely, especially if you have won a lot of money, so you have €1 million won in a casino, then there will be a discrepancies between your bank account and your Italian tax file return. For sure the Italian tax agency wants to check a little bit where this amount of money is coming from, and you have a receipt from the casino that proves that it's a legit amount of money and you are tax-free on this amount of money. And there is nothing to do. You don't even have to declare it in an Italian tax return. From the other hand, if you're playing into a physical casino outside the European Union, it's totally different story. You have to first declare in your Italian tax file return all your earnings, all your winnings, and then taxed, unfortunately, at an ordinary RPF taxation. So you have to please go to the casino inside the European Union. Don't make the mistakes to go to, for example, the Casino of Monaco, the Principate of Monaco, which seems to be in the European Union. No, Monaco is not European Union. So just move forward a little bit, goes to France, because there the casino, if you win something in the casino, would be tax-free. Another point is for professional gamer. For example, there are some of you asking, what about if I'm a professional poker game? Okay, as long as you're playing this platform or in a casino, you will know already the taxation. It will be tax-free in the casino and in online platform with applying these brackets, these tax flat rates in brackets based on your incomes, of your winnings. But if you're playing outside these environments by yourself with other people, or you want to play card, you want to make an online course, or play poker, or you're an expert, you're going to go some contest, this kind of events where you can show off the fact that you're a really good player. I'm just saying about poker, but can be any kind of game. Then you have to open a VAT position. Yes, because you become a professional gamer. And when we hear the word professional, it means that Italian tax agency considers you earnings, not winnings. You're not winning something, but you're constantly earning some money thanks to your professionality. And your profession is play poker or any other kind of games that you can perform in this kind of context. For this case, you can open a VAT position, and the VAT position, if you have followed this channel, you know that there are several options. You have ordinary regime, which is the less convenient one, but you can apply for the impatriate regime because it's the same kind of income if you have all the requirements. And in parallel, there is a possibility to apply for the forfeit regime, which up to 65,000 euro per year as a threshold, you can have a really nice advantageous taxation and a very low social security payment. I hope I gave you the overall overview about these things. If you're a player and you want to know more in detail your situation, your case, which is your use case scenario based on this structure, based on this schema, just let us know. In the description below the video, you will have the email ESENtaxa@gmail.com. You can contact us, you can ask us for consultation, and still in the description below the video, you will see also the link to our quote and services that we provide, such as 1-hour consultation and tax simulation in case you want to relocate to Italy. Thank you, and see you in the next video.